a dish that we usually serve or eat for lunch and dinner. Pero ngayon, gagawan ko ng kakaibang twist ng aking leftover menudo. And I call this dish my menudo pizza. So to everybody watching, set your timers and I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, let's start. Unahin muna natin ating pan. Initin natin siya. There. Let's put a little bit of oil. Just konting-konti lang. And our leftover menudo. Itong menudo, ang mga nakalagay dito na ingredients will be our tomato sauce. Meron tayo dito mga pork, may liver, meron tayong mga green peas, carrots. Tapos may garlic din siya. Itong menudo, bukod sa alam natin na common na dish na ito na sinaserve sa atin every day, pag may mga handaan din, di mawawala ito ang menudo, yung mga Shanghai. Diba? Kahit na lagi na natin siya kanakain because it's really a Filipino favorite. So, ito namang dish na gagawin ko, hindi lang siya pang lunch and dinner. This one you could eat for merienda as well. So, meron tayo ditong all-purpose cream. So, very low heat will add our all-purpose cream. So, konting-konti lang nito para magkaroon ng contrast ng taste ng ating dish. Mix this. Halimbawa, meron kayong makita na sour cream, you could also use that para medyo namang merong sour taste ng ating menudo pizza. Or you could add some lime or lemon into this dish to give it another flavor component. Okay, and now let's add some brown sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. Sprinkle it here and mix it. Now we could add our Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning. Umami is the 5th basic taste in addition to sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Did you know that our first encounter with umami was through our mother's breast milk because it contains an abundant amount of glutamate. And as we all know, umami comes from glutamate. So we'll just let this heat up and we are ready to assemble. Let's get our pita breads. Itong gagamitin ko for the pizza. Instead of using pizza dough, gagamitin ko ng pita bread. Pero pwede rin kayang gumamit ng pizza dough if you like or tortilla. Yan, pwede na to. We could actually put this on top of our pizza already, or on top of our pita. Let's just get this first. Spread this on top of our pita. Ang pita, actually ito yung mga merong mga pockets sa loob. If you cut it in half, ito pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay ito doon. Kung halimbawa hindi nyo masyadong gusto ang menudo pizza, pwede nyo gawing menudo sandwich. There, let's just put some more. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Tsaka it's also a good way of making your kids eat yung liver kasi ito, maraming liver ang ating menudo. And some kids, they don't really like the taste. Ma-hide natin yung ating mga vegetables na hindi nila gustong kainin. Tapos pwede nyo rin patulungan yung mga anak nyo mag-assemble ng pizza nyo, di ba? Para it will make it more interesting and fun for them. So let's add some olives. Kung ano gusto nyo ilagay, pwede kayong maglagay ng tomatoes. May tomatoes naman to. Pwede rin if you like, tomato slices. Let's just put this. Kuha pa tayong konting sauce. Just spread it. And let's get some basil leaves. Okay lang natin dito. Let's stir it. There. Tapos meron na tayong preheated oven para pagkatapos na siyang i-assemble, we'll just place it there. There you go. Let's get some more. Stir it. Okay, now we have our cheese. Let's just grate it. Tapos we'll place it on top of our menudo pizza. Exciting na to. Siyempre, pag nakita ng mga kids yung cheese, may excite na yung mga yan. They would want to eat it. And just place it here. And we can now bake it. Kung halimbawa, anong mayroon kayong cheese sa bahay, pwede nyo gamit like mga cheddar cheese, pwede. Parmesan cheese. Or you could put some mozzarella cheese. Yun naman yung mga usual na ginagamit for pizza dishes. So we'll get our baking pan. The baking pan ready. Pwede natin ito ilagay sa ating oven. Let's just let it bake or cook for mga 2 to 3 minutes. All we have to do is let the pizza melt. Okay, while that is baking, meron tayo ditong letter. Meron ako natanggap na message from an avid quickfire viewer. At sinulat niya na Hi, Chef Rosebud. I super love your show. Anyway, can you please share an easy and inexpensive recipe for my birthday? I want to cook something different for my friends. I'm only 16 years old, so I hope the ingredients are affordable. Thanks so much. Good luck and more power. This came from user My Parel. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, My Apparel. I really appreciate that you always watch the show. Ngayon naman, nakita mo yung ginawa ko na recipe. It's very simple and it's very affordable. Menudo pizza. Pag sinerve mo yan sa iyong family and friends, I'm sure talagang may impress sila. So to other Quickfire foodies who have questions about food, recipes, ingredients, about Quickfire, about me, you can email us at quickfire@jmnetwork.com. At kung sino yung mapili namin na letter, will receive a special gift. Tingnan na natin yung ating pizza. Okay, now let's check it. Ayan, all we have to wait for is for the cheese to melt naman on top. Kasi luto na yung ating menudo. There. There you go. Ito talaga magugustuhan to ng pamilya nyo, ng kaibigan nyo. Kasi we're able to make something out of a leftover menudo. Let's get our plate. And, take ko na ito dito. There you go. Ready na akong kainin to. There you have it. Napakadali lang ng aking menudo pizza. Nakita niyo naman mga Quickfire foodies, napakadali lang nitong recipe na to. Meron tayong menudo na leftover, nilagyan natin ng all-purpose cream, some brown sugar, tapos Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning at napakasarap na. So please try this at home. Quickfire would like to thank the following. Bika for our cookware, Princess for our small appliances, Oxo Good Grips for our knives and kitchen gadgets, Alba for our cooking appliances, Cubics for our modular kitchen, Blims for our furnitures, Savers Appliance Depot for our home appliances, SNR membership shopping for your world-class shopping experience, Ace Hardware for our paints and building materials. Leftover menudo dishes takes up on a new twist by adding Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning. Menudo pizza. Simple, creative, and very delicious. And what's important is, it took less than 10 minutes to prepare. So try this at home. Reinvent your leftovers by creating new and exciting dishes. And for more recipes and tips, join me again next time only here on Quickfire, your 10-minute kitchen wonders. I'm gonna eat this now.